Hello friends, welcome back with me in my YouTube channel. In today's video I am gonna explain about how to add college on Facebook. So, let's go to the tutorial. Step 1. Go to your profile. Step 2. Click Edit Profile button. Step 3. Scroll down and focus on Details section, then click Edit. Step 4. You need to focus on Education section, click Add College. Step 6. Enter your university name. Step 7. Select your education concentration. Step 8. You can check this box if you have graduated or uncheck if you are not. Step 9. Choose the date you entered the university and the date you graduated. The month option is optional. Step 10. In the visibility option you can choose to be public, your friends, or just yourself. The last step, click Save. In addition, you can join a Group X university where you study. If this tutorial worked for you, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.